Hello from TickerDD. My name is Lily. This video is part of the third generation of our automated video series on price and volume analysis for specific stock tickers along with news analysis. This third generation includes an initial model for short interest. As always, this auto-generated video is for entertainment purposes only. No warranty, guarantee, or factual assertions are stated, marketed, or sold in this commentary video, which can contain errors. Never use this video to influence or determine investment or financial decisions. Review important disclaimer at the end of the video. Now that we have made our lawyers happy, capitalist brothers and sisters, let's get started. EZPW went public on August 27, 1991, which was roughly 32 years and 6 months ago. Looking back 650 calendar days from Wednesday, February 14, 2024 to Friday, May 6, 2022, we found 446 applicable trade dates for use in our analysis of this ticker, which has a market capitalization of about $599.1 million. Based on available licensed data, we think that the company, EZCORP Inc., that is behind this ticker has 7,500 full-time employees. Consider that number to be an estimate and not an exact count. The chart shown on this page is our initial attempt at studying the price for EZPW after dynamically normalizing price distribution across those discovered trade dates. The bar chart is the generated distribution and the overlaid line graph, if it is generated, is the frequency of the prices on the x-axis. We will enhance this look-through as our model progresses in the next iteration. Remember that this is just a drafted, in progress, observational model to best fit abstracted third-party data into various opinionated views.
Hello. My name is Carl. I searched the public web to find information about the company that is behind this ticker. Here's what I found. EZCORP, Inc. provides pawn loans in the United States and Latin America. It offers pawn loans collateralized by tangible personal property, jewelry, consumer electronics, tools, sporting goods, and musical instruments. The company also sells merchandise, primarily collateral forfeited from pawn lending operations and pre-owned merchandise purchased from customers. In addition, it offers Lana and EZ Plus web-based engagement platforms to manage pawn loans. As of September 30, 2021, the company owned and operated 516 pawn stores in the United States, 508 pawn stores in Mexico, and 124 pawn stores in Guatemala, El Salvador, and Honduras. EZCORP, Inc. was founded in 1989 and is headquartered in Austin, Texas.
What percentage of shares were shorted for EZPW for the 2-week period, ending on settlement date, January 31, 2024? About 4.6 million shares of EZPW were shorted out of a total of approximately 52.2 million outstanding shares. Therefore, for EZPW, based on as is, discovered, public data when this video was generated, the ticker has a short interest of roughly 8.8%, which I got by taking the number of shorted shared and dividing it by the number of outstanding shares to get the percentage value. Days to cover is 13.4. When I compare the current 2-week period data snapshot against the previous period, ending in settlement date, the 12th of January 2024, I find that the current snapshot had roughly 248.6 thousand less shares shorted. This means that, compared to the previous snapshot, the current snapshot has a decrease of minus 5.13% of shorted shares. Zooming out, I looked across 49 2-week snapshots, from latest found, January 31, 2024 to oldest found, January 31, 2022. In the graph, I overlaid bi-weekly percentage change in short interests against days to cover. Across these 49 2-week snapshots, the average percentage change of short interest was about 0.27%. Other interesting data points include: the largest percentage increase in short interest was 22.69%. It occurred once on December 15, 2022 settlement date. The largest percentage decrease in short interest found across those 49 2-week snapshots was minus 25.59%. It occurred once on September 29, 2023 settlement date. The average days to cover was about 12.62. The biggest days to cover was 24.65 and it happened once on April 14, 2023 settlement date.
Hello. My name is Sam. What were recent headline news for EZPW? Today, Thursday, February 15, 2024, I sampled one of our news aggregators for latest headlines for this ticker. I did so by searching specifically by a keyword that may appear, broadly, in the title or the body, of discoverable news articles. The keyword that I used was a combination of the exchange and the ticker symbol, NASDAQ. EZPW. The results shows 10 unique headlines, published across 8 unique dates. Publication dates spanned 13 days. The latest publication was Tuesday, February 13, 2024, when Defense World published the headline that read, Victory Capital Management has $988,000 holdings in EZCORP. The oldest publication was on Wednesday, January 31, 2024, when 1 month and 15 days ago, MarketBeat published the headline that read, A Senegal Asset Management SAA buys 145,068 shares of EZCORP. Tuesday, February 6, 2024 and Friday, February 2, 2024 had the most headlines. They each had 2 discovered headlines. On Tuesday, February 6, 2024. First, MarketBeat published the headline that read, EZCORP, shares purchased by Boston Partners. Second, Defense World published the headline that read, Illinois Municipal Retirement Fund acquires new shares in EZCORP. Then, for the second day with the most discovered headlines, on Friday, February 2, 2024. First, Insider Monkey published the headline that read, EZCORP, Q1 2024 earnings call transcript. Second, Simply Wall Street published the headline that read, EZCORP rallies 11% this week, taking 3-year gains to 84%. Correlated or not, as it happened, the stock price for EZPW on those publication dates respectively saw a jump of 2.55% along with a jump of 0.60% when comparing the day's opening versus closing price. What was end-of-day price and volume for EZPW? On Wednesday, February 14, 2024, EZPW had an end-of-day price of $10.75 and volume of about 0.7 million. Compared to the previous trading day, the price jumped 3.16%, gaining 33 cents, while volume dropped 7.01%, decreasing about 0.1 million. The graph shows price and volume for the last 15 trade dates. Across a range of $2.15, the max and minimum end-of-day price were respectively 10.75 and 8.6. Volume saw a range of 2.5 million, from a day low of 222.8 thousand to a day high of 2.7 million.
Hello, my name is Magnus. How did February 14, 2024 rank for EZPW? By 650 calendar day look back to the 6th of May 2022, across 446 trading days, of which February 14, 2024 price ranked 1 while its volume ranked 68. Each of the 446 trading days were ranked amongst themselves by highest end-of-day price and volume, with a rank of 1 being the highest and 446 being the lowest ranked day. The price's day-over-day percentage change, jumping 3.16% on February 14, 2024, had a day rank of 26 while its dollar difference of 33 cents had a rank of 17 when compared day over day across 445 trading days. Volume's percentage change and difference were ranked respectively at 240 and 270.
Hello, my name is Maria. Which quartile did February 14, 2024 price and volume land? Across a sample size of 446 trading days, the maximum end-of-day price for EZPW was $10.75 while the minimum was $6.93. Within that price range, February 14, 2024 price, of $10.75, landed within the 4th quartile, meaning that it was within the top 25% of all sampled end-of-day prices. The day's volume landed within the 4th quartile, marking it within the top 25% of all sampled daily volume, which saw a max daily volume of 8.3 million and a minimum of 106.5 thousand.
Quartiles tell us about the spread of a data set by breaking that data set into quarters, just like how the median breaks the set into half. Descriptively, EZPW has a median price of $8.545. Therefore, February 14, 2024 price was higher from that middle marker by 25.8%. The day's volume of 0.7 million was more than the median by 88.73%.
Hello, my name is Claire. How were price and volume averages for EZPW? Across 446 trading days, there were a total of 21 month ends, of which monthly averages for daily price and volume were calculated. Overall, monthly price average trended up while monthly volume average trended up. The maximum end of month average price was $9.68 for 11/2020 seconds, while the minimum was $7.32 for 05/2022. Looking at volume, 06, 2023 and 07, 2022 respectively saw the highest and lowest monthly average volume at 1.1 million and 289.2 thousand.
Hello, my name is John. What were end-of-month percentage change averages in price and volume for EZPW? The monthly average of percentage change in price and in volume were calculated for each of the 21 month ends. That calculation took daily percentage changes and averaged them for each given month. If a month end came out negative, then it means that the month summarily saw a negative change. From 05/2022 to 01/2024, out of 21 month ends, 11 had a negative percentage change in average price. Meaning 52% of month ends saw a negative percentage change in average price. In terms of volume, 21 out of 21 month ends had a positive percentage change. That is 100% of month ends saw a positive percentage change in average volume. Price saw an end-of-month max of 1.10% in average percentage change, along with a minimum of -0.87%. For volume, the maximum and the minimum monthly percentage change were respectively 38.73% and 2.75%.
Hello. My name is Cameron. Before we continue, remember to like and subscribe to TickerDD on YouTube. Leave a comment below and share why you like or don't like this ticker. This video is one of many videos off subjective observational data models that we are building out as part of a docuseries about building supportive technologies for personal use, through trial and error. My capitalistic brothers and sisters, join the TickerDD army. Subscribe today. Now, back to the video. Has EZPW price reached golden or death crosses? Golden cross and death cross are basic signals that compare average prices across two specified trade day ranges, a short-term versus a long-term range. For example, 5-day versus 10 trade days. Essentially, a golden cross is a bullish signal. It appears when a ticker's short-term moving average crosses above its long-term average. Vice versa, a death cross is a bearish signal when the short-term crosses below its long-term moving average. For our opinionated analysis off third-party and abstracted data, we decided to look at both simple moving average, SMA, and exponential moving average, EMA. The latter calculates moving average by giving more weighting to recent prices. For EMA, you can be the judge. Look at the generated graph on this page. Has the 50-day EMA line, which is in red, crossed above or crossed below the 200-day EMA line, which is in black? If no crossing can be seen, then no signal could be had. The blue line is daily end-of-day prices. For simple moving average, by comparing 50 to 200 days, we found a bullish golden cross signal since the 50-day SMA crossed above the 200-day. Continuing with SMA, we looked across the 5 to 10, the 10 to 20, and the 30 to 50-day ranges to see if golden and death crosses had been reached. We found golden cross signal for the 10 to 20. We could not find neither golden cross nor death cross signal for the 5 to 10, the 30 to 50.